Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna hit up some more vending machines. Alright, before the day starts, I have so many boxes in here that are empty that I just need to clean out, and yeah, I gotta do all that before I can get on with the route. We're gonna hit up about 6 locations today. I definitely need to go to Sam's Club and pick up a couple things, some chips, some chocolate, some pastries. My location's about an hour away right now. Sam's Club on the way, so I'm just gonna hit it up on the way there. There's about 6-7 locations out there, so I'm gonna knock those out today, and hopefully we can pull around $400 today out of those 6. That'd be awesome. These last 2 days, these last 2 collections of 2020 have been over $400, which is awesome, and the averages have been awesome. Hopefully we can continue that pattern today. Alright, everything's loaded up. We got some product to last us for today, and I'm gonna be filling up the machines pretty full today. I spent $229 today. So, as business people, how much do we have to make today to be profitable? $229. Hopefully, we make around $400 today. That's what? $180 profit? $170, something like that. $400 sounds like a lot. Like whenever people are in the vending business, they're like, yeah, I pulled $400 today. Yeah, I pulled $700 today. Alright, well, if you made $700, you probably spent about $400 on product. So really you got about $300 profit. I'll probably make around $400 today, but really I'll only make actually like $180. So that's one thing you guys got to be careful whenever you guys are getting into vending. The gross amount is way different than the actual profit, so just a little bit of food for thought right there. But don't let that discourage you. That's why you got to expand, and that's why you got to get more locations. So yes, you will be spending more, but you'll also be making more. See you guys at the first location. Love you guys. Alright, I just left location number 1. I couldn't film in there, but here's how much money we pulled. If I had to guess, I'd say that was about $50. And that's about a 2-week collection. Now we are heading to location 2. And 7 minutes away. And it looks like it's about to rain, kinda. So hopefully it doesn't rain. And I couldn't film in there, I'm really sorry. I just can't whenever there's teachers in there. To the next location right now, it's 2 minutes away, right around the corner. And hopefully I can film in that one. Here's what the other location, here's what the location did that I just went to. Not too shabby. Alright, I just got to location 5. See how it does. I'm gonna have to call it a day because it's like dismissal time, and this last school is insane during dismissal. So I'm gonna have to end it there. We went to 5 locations today. Our goal was 6. Hit up that other one in these next few days. I'm gonna go home and I'll see you guys there. Alright, so I just got home 7 hours ago or something. It's 11:30 right now. So yeah, now we're gonna count the money and I'll get you guys the totals. Alright, location number 1 did $68.50 after 2 weeks. Location number 2 made $74.15 in 2 weeks. Number 3 did $84.65 after 2 weeks. Location number 4 did $78.90 after 2 weeks. All right, the last location number 5, did $70.45 after 2 weeks. Now we're gonna add them all up and get you guys the totals. For a grand total, we made $376.65. But yeah, off of 5 locations, the slowest location did $68, which is awesome. So the average will definitely be about in the $70 range, which you cannot complain with that. Absolutely awesome averages and a good collection. So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment #WeMadeIt if you made it this far. I love you guys so much, and if you made it this far, maybe share this video on your social medias, or share it on Facebook or something. Share it with someone, send it to a friend, and yeah, help spread the channel to other audiences. That'd be awesome. Thank you guys so much. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.